In this video, I will tell you how to tag a customer in your Shopify account. This video is sponsored by Advanced Cash on Delivery app. If you are tired of losing control over cash on delivery orders, this app has got you covered. So for this, you need to click on customer section. Then you can click on any of your customer. Then here scroll down, you need to enter a tag just like VIB. So you can see tag has been added. Now save your changes. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to tag a customer in your Shopify account. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.